Welcome to the XGENIA tutorial. In this video, we'll master two essential skills: initializing a new project and creating interactive buttons for page navigation. These are the fundamental building blocks for any web application. Let's dive in. When we launch XGENIA, we are greeted by the main dashboard showcasing our recent projects. To start a fresh workspace, we'll navigate to the top left corner and click the New Project button. XGENIA utilizes a template-driven architecture to streamline development. For a clean slate, we'll select the Hello World template, the ideal choice for building a custom layout from scratch. First, we'll name our project. Let's call it My First Project. And second, we'll select a local directory to save our project files. We start with a single entry point, our start page. On the left, we have the component tree, which provides a visual hierarchy of every element within our application. On the above, we've got the display. Everything changes on the nodes will be portrayed here. You can adjust the display as you will too. Since most apps require multiple views, let's add a second page. In the component list, we click the plus icon and select the page component. We'll label this new route as the About page. Now you can see both the Start page and About page on the component tree. We can now toggle between the Start and About pages in the component list. Each page acts as a parent container. When we build, we must ensure all new components are correctly nested as children of the respective page node. Now for the core interaction. We'll create a navigation flow from the Start page to the About page. By right-clicking on the canvas, we can search for a button node. Once added, we simply drag this button into the page hierarchy. Let's click the button node. On the left-hand panel, you can now view and edit the properties of your selected button. First, let's update the label. Change the text to Go to About page. Now, right-click on the canvas and search for the Navigate component to add it to your project. Select the Navigate component to create it. Since this is a functional logic block rather than a visual element, there's no need to align it to the page layout. Within the Navigate component settings, you'll find two main options: Target Page and Open in a new tab. Let's set our destination. Click on Target Page to open the selection pop-up. Since we are currently on the Start page, select the About page from the list to set it as our navigation target. Now that the Navigate component is initialized, it's time to wire the logic components together. Choose Click Output and navigate Input. As we can see, the text in the display has not changed yet. Let's change it to Start Page, since it is the respective page. Now, let's click the About page on the component list. Update the text here to match the page header. Then right-click to create another button. Drag the button node below the About page node. Label this button Go to Start Page. Once again, right-click to create a Navigate component. This time, set the target page to Start Page and wire it to your new button. Choose Click Output and Navigate Input. Then, tidy it up. Now, let's check it up. Click Start Page. Then click the Go to About page on the display. Then, try to click the Go to Start Page. It works! Congratulations! Now you know how to navigate between pages in XGENIA. As you can see, we have successfully created a functional two-page navigation system. Tasks that usually require complex coding can now be accomplished easily with just a few components and simple wiring. Thanks for watching. Get XGENIA for free today at xgenia.ai and start building smarter and faster than ever.